And how's the Supreme Court going to rule on this?
Oh, I can't. It's such a hard question because a lot of the justices on this court are politicians. They're not actually, fair arbiters. Obviously, your audience knows, like from
John
all
Roberts is just calling balls and strikes. What are you talking about? Come on, he's just an umpire.
Yeah, exactly.
That's who can throw the game. The umpire is the one who can throw the fucking game.
Oh, totally. That's good point.
Yeah. So it's hard to know with any given case, like if they're going to decide, like for example, there's the case that came before the Supreme Court last session that there's a couple cases that they just like threw back to the states, but then they might get altered and like come back before them after the election so that the court doesn't seem, the MAGA court, because it's tied to Trump, right, is not considered as extreme before the election, and therefore all these horrible decisions, like, I don't know, banning IVF or like
won't motivate voters.
Won't motivate voters. And so that's just an example of how it can be so political and how like outside forces can matter. So it's hard to know with any certainty like how they will rule on any given case, but like the trend, obviously the far right faction on the Supreme Court was selected by Leonard Leo for their regressive agenda. Like he has said explicitly that he hopes to turn back our rights to the pre-New Deal era, the robber baron era. And that's what they want. They want no regulations. They want, no taxes. They want no
child
administrative
labor.
agencies. Yeah, right.
They want child labor.
That was also the period, by the way, in the Catholic Church where the Pope put out the papal bull about how all the Enlightenment stuff was sinful and wrong and all that kind of thing. Basically, the dumbest fucking thing that any Pope has written ever, really.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.